Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamarji, and we're back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, what's up? It's your girl Tamarji. And if you guys are returning, what's up? You already know y'all GI babies, period. Okay. Today we're gonna be doing this bob, if you guys seen from the thumbnail, and we're working with Luvme here today. They always give you units that you can throw on and literally walk out the door. So we're working with the closure today, and this is what the hair looks like. It's this blonde highlights, but it's like the brownish color, like the brown blonde highlight combo, and it's actually super cute because they're like chunky highlights. They're not the small ones, like thin ones. They're chunky and really cute. So this is what the unit looks like. All the details for this unit will be down below, so make sure you guys click that link down below to purchase this unit and any other units from Luvme Hair. So this is the inside of the wig, this is the construction, and then this is the unit with the breathable clap, so you guys can see that my fingers can go straight through in the back, because this unit is perfect for the heat, perfect for summertime, or just perfect if you are in a climate with a lot of heat, because this is definitely breathable, and for it to be this short, it's good for hot weather. So this is what everything is looking like. This is what the lace looks like up close. It's very thin. Luvme Hair always has very thin lace. The knots are already bleached on this unit, so I didn't really have to do anything for real. This is what it came in the box, just the Luvme Hair box. And then it came with this cute little bonnet, silk bonnet at that. Oh yeah, it came with a cute bonnet. Okay, yeah, these bonnets are so cute because it says Luvme around the perimeter of it, and then you can tie it in the front. Also come with another silk wrap scarf thing, a scarf. And it says Luvme on here, and then it's this long, so it's really cute, and it's silk as well, edge toothbrush as well, and it says Luvme on it. Like, let's pay attention to the details. Okay, comes with a little bag that you can store your unit in after, wig cap, and then you also have like a little pamphlet that shows you, you know, how to take care of your wigs and all of that. I just have my little cap on, and I'm not doing like the traditional bob cap because I'm just gonna do like a glueless real quick, because this unit you can literally put it on and walk out the door. So that's literally what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take a little bit of my makeup in the color 14 by Kiss, and I'm just gonna put that all over this cap, and then I'm gonna put it on the lace as well on this unit, just so that everything can pretty much blend. I'm gonna cut the lace on my head. I'm not gonna cut it off because I just feel like it's a little better when I cut it on my head. And then if you guys see any of this like residue and stuff, I literally just took off another wig, so that's why y'all see this little residue like on my hair, but it's not gonna affect the install. Kind of looks like I have no edges with the stuff on there. Okay. So being that this is a closure, y'all can wear this like without glue if you don't want to. You can wear it anyway, like you can wear it with or without glue, but I'm gonna put like a little spray adhesive on there because I like me some security. I don't want to feel like somebody can just snatch my wig off if they wanted to. The sprays that I'm going to be using is the Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. And then I'm also going to be using the Styler Fix Lace Bond Spray by Red by Kiss. These two sprays are really, really good, and they're extra strong. And I've been using these two for a couple installs now. Like, I've been using this for a minute now since we left that other company in the dust. If you know, you know. I don't got to say too much. But I've been using these two, and they're really, really, really good. And you can purchase this one from Target, and I ordered this one on Amazon. These are the ones you should get. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace on this unit, and I'm gonna go over with my hot comb a little bit, go over with my straightener, and we're literally gonna be able to walk out the door, like literally. So let me go ahead and do that.
Living with nothing to lose. I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's...
This is eating down, y'all. It's cute. These chunky highlights, definitely. Okay, so for the most part, I got it looking how I want it to look. I just need to go over the back just a little bit with my straightener, but I wanted to go ahead and do all of this first before I cut the lace because it just made more sense. So now I'm gonna add these little flat clips to each side so that it can stay how it's supposed to look. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace.
Words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less compared to some of my niggas down the block. Man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time.
Like, do y'all see that? Blending already. It's not even no glue.
All the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to...
No, like, y'all, this is literally firsthand. Y'all seen it firsthand. Like, you literally don't even need to put no type of glue or anything on this unit. It's already looking good. Like, what? Come again? Okay. This is so cute. Like, I almost don't even want to put any glue on because it looks so freaking cute. Although I am gonna pluck just a little bit in the front because y'all know I'm a perfectionist when it comes to these units that you don't have to do nothing to. I always find something to do because it has to look good. So I am gonna pluck a little bit in the front. And when I mean a little bit, I literally mean a little bit because that's all it needs. Period. Take a little bit of my makeup and go on that part so that the part can be extra crispy. And then I think I'm just gonna use the Style Fixer Lace Bond Spray because this is really good. The other one is good too, but I'm just gonna use this one because I really don't even need to use two sprays because this is not a frontal, it's a closure. So using one spray is gonna be good enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this little wrap real quick and I'm gonna wrap this down for like not that long, just a couple minutes honestly. Just gonna have it wrapped down for a few minutes just so that lace can actually melt a bit, even though it's already melted. While that is doing what it's doing, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my last little straightening to this unit and then we will be done and walking out the door. Okay. I'm gonna add a little holding spray on my hand and rub it on the hair because it has some flyaways. Actually, I'm gonna spray the top a little bit too. Yeah, that's definitely doing the trick. Cause those flyaways be looking crazy, especially with highlights. Flyaways and highlights don't look good. Just a little secret. But make sure you wash your hands after, cause your hands gonna be sticky. And don't go over the straightener with the part that you put the stuff on, cause then it's gonna look crazy. So straighten about like just this part, cause everything else is straight. I knew that was gonna happen. So if this happens, just spray a little holding spray on it and that will disappear. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see, this is the final look for this bob, and it is so cute. The bob is cute. The chunky blonde highlights, they're super cute. The only thing that I have to say is that the flyaways in like the, I don't know if it's just me or like I don't know if it's just my body or something, but it's like the hair is kind of coming up a little bit, like I have like a balloon on my head. But like once I spray the holding spray on it, it's fine. But that's just one thing that you do have to consider. Like, I don't know if it's just me or what, but the holding spray will definitely tame that. It's fine. But as you guys can see, it's so freaking cute, and it was very easy to install. So this is a very beginner friendly bob, a very beginner friendly unit. But this is just so freaking cute. Like, get into the bob, okay? Period. So cute, so cute. If you guys want all the information on this unit, like I said before, don't forget to click that description box down below and shop Luvme Hair. You guys can have the direct link to this unit and also their website to purchase any other wigs on their website that you would like to purchase, because this hair is very, very good quality. So not just this unit, you guys can get this unit in a longer length, or you can get so many different units that they have to offer as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Jam babies, we out.
Straight from the Lord above, 'cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening quick.